Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lana if you're new. And today, I got a haircut. This is that video. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Why is this so awkward? Today, Irene's gonna cut my hair because basically I bleached it platinum blonde, then I dyed it pink, then I dyed it black, and now it's faded to kind of this like hollow brown color, as Brad Mondo would say. And yeah, so every time I see Irene I get a free haircut. Very good, but it's free at least. Yeah, so.
Are we gonna time lapse to this?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Okay, so yes, we are going to time lapse through this because cutting my hair takes a while. So I wanted to cut my hair for a while now, but I was waiting until I got a chance to visit Irene because honestly, she does a much better job on my hair than any hairstylist would. The last time I went to a salon for a haircut, the lady charged me like $70, and she said that since I have a lot of hair, it might end up looking really poofy if she cuts it short, so that I should get layers. And I thought she was right because when I was in 10th grade, I ended up cutting my hair really short, and that was back before I wore any makeup, so that was pretty tragic. And so the lady said that I should get layers, but she ended up doing a really bad job and I hated it. Long story short, I'm never getting layers again. So since my hair was really damaged from bleaching it and coloring it so many times, I've only been washing my hair once or twice a week, and every time I do it, I let it air dry because I don't want to damage it with heat, and it takes like 6+ hours to air dry, and since it's getting colder now, I don't want to get sick, and also having wet hair for like 6 hours is just really miserable. So I just really wanted to get rid of all this dead weight. Basically, Irene cut my hair in intervals and took off 1 inch at a time and let me look at it to see if I liked the length. She just cut straight across and it ended up working out really well.
It's so squishy.
You want to show the camera?
Show the camera? Look it. It's like an animal died.
Honestly, I want a little shorter.
I'm scared. Wait, how short do you want it?
I don't know, but like a little tiny bit. Like,
Oh.
you see?
I'll start on that side.
Okay, wait, what's this?
Oh shit.
Long I like it.
Okay.
Yeah, my life will be like so much easier now.
Oh,
That was stressful.
that was so stressful.
Bye.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
I look like Willy Wonka.
Want to touch it? Here, put a roller.
Oh, cool, thank you. Okay, so that's it. Hallelujah. I look like I look like many people. I look like all the bad guys in every Korean drama.
And now I'm all prickly.
And I also look like that lady from season 7, Once Upon a Time. And yeah, I like it. Now my life is gonna be so much easier and I don't have to wait like 6 hours for my hair to dry. Yay! Say bye.
Bye. I probably look nasty, but I can't see because I don't have my glasses.
Okay. I actually really like it. Yeah.
I like it too, babe. I like it too.
Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.